Myanmar is a land where time feels suspended. Golden pagodas pierce the sky, ancient temples dot vast plains, and tranquil lakes reflect centuries of history. From bustling Yangon streets to serene Inle Lake, Myanmar is a destination that promises wonder, culture, and breathtaking landscapes at every turn. Start your journey in Bagan, home to over 2,000 ancient temples and pagodas. As the sun rises, the plains glow golden, revealing a surreal landscape where history comes alive. Hot air balloons float above, offering a perspective that will stay in your memory forever. Every temple tells a story of devotion, artistry, and the rich heritage of Myanmar. Next, venture to Inle Lake, where life flows gently on stilts and floating gardens create a mosaic of colors. Local fishermen balance gracefully on their boats, markets float atop the water, and villages thrive in harmony with nature. This is a world unlike any other, where every moment feels like a scene from a dream. Yangon, Myanmar's largest city, is a vibrant mix of colonial architecture and spiritual landmarks. The Shwedagon Pagoda rises majestically, its golden stupa glinting in the sunlight, welcoming travelers from around the world. Stroll through bustling markets, taste local delicacies, and experience the warmth and resilience of the Myanmar people. Beyond temples and cities, Myanmar's natural beauty captivates. From rolling hills to dense forests and winding rivers, the landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. Trekking in Shan State or exploring remote villages offers a glimpse of life untouched by time, where nature and tradition coexist in harmony. Myanmar is more than a destination. It's an experience that lingers in your heart. Ancient temples, serene lakes, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes await those who seek adventure and discovery. For insider tips, hidden gems, and full travel guides, subscribe to Local Travel Guides and explore Myanmar. Your unforgettable journey in Myanmar is just a plane ticket away.